Bonsoir, c'est Madame Sarko. Ce soir, vous allez apprendre les verbes prendre et boire. Bon. Prendre, to take. Prendre is the verb to take. It can be used when we talk about like taking a class or taking something from somebody, but also when we talk about taking a meal. Two verbs that are conjugated just like prendre are comprendre, which is the verb to understand, and apprendre, which is the verb to learn. So comprendre, to understand, like comprehend, and apprendre, to learn. And they're conjugated just like prendre. So the verb prendre. Let's go through the pronunciation of the different forms. This is again the present tense. It is an irregular verb, which means it's not conjugated like most other RE verbs. So let's go. Je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend, on prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils prennent, elles prennent. So just like I said before, prendre, this is the conjugation for it, but the other two verbs, comprendre and apprendre, are actually conjugated in the exact same way. So now that you know how to conjugate prendre, to take, you can also conjugate comprendre, to understand, and apprendre, to learn. The second new verb we're learning tonight is the verb boire, to drink. The verb boire is conjugated just like this. And don't forget, OI in French is always a wa sound. And again, this is an irregular verb. It's not conjugated like the other RE verbs, and it has to be memorized. Je bois, tu bois, il boit, elle boit, on boit. Nous buvons, vous buvez, ils boivent, elles boivent. Notice that the singular forms, je, tu, il, elle, on, it's kind of similar to faire with the S's and the T's. And notice that the ENT at the end of boivent is not pronounced. We don't pronounce that ENT, just like we don't pronounce the ENT for the ER verbs. So what you should be doing now is going through practicing the pronunciation, then work on studying the verbs, and then complete the kia. Merci et bonsoir.